welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Today's pose is shoulder stand, which is a real favorite of mine. It's great to just ease the body before going to bed, having a lovely wind down before you close your practice and before you end your day. It's also said to stimulate the thyroid, so great for balancing hormones and really great for throat, body, really lovely for sending the blood in the opposite direction, having a lovely inversion before we close our practice and our day. We're going to come to lie on our backs, just like we did yesterday in bridge pose. Allow the back to become flushed with the mat, so the lower back really pressing down. Hands are down by your side. I'm just wriggling around here. Hands are down by your side. Press your feet into the mat and just start to lift your hips, exactly like we were in bridge pose. And then from here, start to roll your legs all the way overhead and just let your feet come behind you. Now use your elbows to snuggle in towards one another and support your lower back with your hands. From this space, start to lift the toes all the way up towards the ceiling. Keep squeezing the elbows in, snuggle the shoulder blades a little closer, and really energize through the legs, shoulder stand. So rather than just letting the legs hang out really limply here, which can feel really nice, but I want you to keep sending this energy all the way through. We're staying supported here. The hands are really softening on the lower back, finding this lift rather than just this sort of dumping pose. Energy is from the shoulders to the toes in our shoulder stand. Now keep the head really nice and long so you've got space for the neck. And just bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth. And we're just going to be here for 5 deep breaths. So keep supporting your shoulder stand. And we'll take 1 big inhale, a big exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Keep sending energy through the feet. 1 more. Inhale. And now on your exhale, start to gently draw the toes all the way overhead, allowing the feet to just come all the way overhead into plow pose. So hands can either stay supporting the lower back. If your toes touch the mat, great. If they're just here, allow for some sort of support, keeping your hands on the back. And maybe you want to snuggle the shoulder blades underneath you a little more and start to draw the hands away from the body, interlacing the hands, and just find this real release. Again, allowing the neck to be nice and long. Take 1 more inhale. And it might feel right for you today to exhale, draw the knees close towards the ears, coming into knee to ears. And if you've got the space, maybe pressing the knees against the temples and just giving a self-massage here. We'll take 1 more breath wherever you are. Maybe you're still up in shoulder stand. And on an exhale, release the hands if they're underneath you. And we're just going to gently roll down through the back. So bone by bone, allowing for this release to come all the way down. And sending the legs down with you. Full control in the body. When your feet meet the mat, allow your back, your spine to feel fully supported here. Melting all the way back down. And we're just going to stay resting before we start to wind the body down in our last few days of practice. And you can stay here for as long as you like. I'll meet you back here on the mat tomorrow. Namaste.